In this video, I want to share my best income streams to make money online. I'll explain how you can make money faster and easier than ever before, and how you can create passive income too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been making money online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've been doing it full time for over 20 years now, and what I like best is that in addition to daily income, I can create long-term passive income too. You know, money that keeps coming in month after month from a sale you make one time. This is how I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. And my wife Barbara and I really live our dream lifestyle. We never have to say, I'm sorry, we can't make it, I have to work, when friends or family ask us to join them. Hey, can you do me a favor? Before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and I know you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. It really helps me. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So if you've already looked at side hustles to make money from home, or maybe tried one or more, you've found that there are a ton of so-called opportunities out there to make money online. The problem is that in so many of them, you probably will not have the success you are hoping for. Unfortunately, you may have found out already. Well, see, many of them, they're just too time-consuming or just too complicated, often requiring a lot of computer experience or already having a large list and following. And without marketing experience, you're going to be dead in the water, as the learning curve can take forever. Well, let me share what I do, what I teach my team to do. It is the fastest and easiest way I've found to make serious money online. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is necessary. I actually build two income streams that complement each other. While most of my team build both, some folks just work one or the other, and that's fine too. You can make money fast with either. You can create long-term passive income with either also. Whether they build one income stream or both, they still get my training, they still get my personal one-on-one mentoring. Years ago, when I was a full-time network marketer, I put all of my energy into just one business. It made sense then. Network marketing was different. Today, as I focus more on affiliate marketing, having these two income streams just makes more sense. And like I said, they actually complement each other. And of course, with two income streams, the income potential is even bigger. The real benefit to working both income streams, though, is that all of my marketing efforts, whether it be my email list, my autoresponder, my blog, or my YouTube channel, they can all do double duty. And that's without mentioning my time. I can build both income streams in about the same amount of time as it would take to build one. And again, I don't do online marketing just for the money, but for the time freedom it creates too. Back in my network marketing days, when I built only one business, if for whatever reason someone did not feel that that one business was right for them, I was done. They would team up with someone else in another business. But now, with an additional income stream, I get a second shot at them, again, using my same marketing assets. And I get a second shot to create more passive income. I cannot overemphasize the value of passive income. I know you will love the way you can get paid months from now for work you do today. I invite you to learn more about my best income streams to make money online at my blog at joebarclay.com. And while you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. It will help you have massive success whether we work together or not. Also, be sure to check out my resources page there, where I share the tools and resources that I personally use and recommend to help you build any business faster and easier. Many are free, all are terrific. Again, that's joebarclay.com. Go ahead and check it out. I look forward to hearing from you.